First, open your web browser and visit the website webcamtests.com. Or, you can simply search for webcam test on Google, and you find a list of websites that help you quickly check if your camera is working. Once you open the site, it will automatically start detecting your webcam. If you see a pop-up asking for permission, make sure to click Allow to give access to your camera. Now, wait for a few seconds while the website detects your webcam. Once it's detected, you'll see a live preview. Then just click on Test My Cam to check the functionality and supported features of your camera, like resolution, FPS, and more. This is a very simple and basic way to test your webcam on Windows 10, Windows 11, or almost any laptop or PC. You'll get all the important information about your camera in just a few clicks. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more quick tech tips, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.